Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change Grammarly keyboard. To change the Grammarly keyboard settings or switch to different keyboard on a device, follow these steps. Open any application where you can type, such as messages or notes. Tap and hold on the globe icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the list, select a different keyboard, like using the default iOS keyboard. To switch away from Grammarly, you can also disable Grammarly keyboard completely. If you no longer want to use it, go to your settings application and click on General. After that, scroll down until you find Keyboard. Then again click on Keyboard. Now tap on Edit on the top right corner. Then tap on the red minus icon next to Grammarly and confirm to remove it. Following these steps will allow you to switch keyboards or change Grammarly keyboard settings to suit your preference. So that is how you can change Grammarly keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.